Hi there, wig and topper lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Top Choice Topper by Gabor in the color GL15-26SS, also known as Soft Shades Buttered Toast. Now, I've always really liked this color. It's a very pretty sort of almost dark blonde color. And in this particular topper, it looks almost like it's tipped because of the color distribution. That's really pretty. Now this particular Top Choice topper is a wefted topper. So that means that she's got permatease on top. Now this is a soft shades color, but one of the big differences between the soft shades and say Raquel Welch's shaded colors is that the Gabor shaded colors, the rooting is basically the base shade and the highlights just start a little bit lower on the hair shaft. But in Raquel Welch's shadow shades, the rooting is almost always a whole shade darker than the base color. So anyway, very pretty topper. And even though it is a wefted topper, the density on this topper is very natural. It's got a very light density. The base dimensions are 5 inches by 6 1/4 inch. The rest of the dimensions I'll tell you after I put it on. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my hair for the topper. And because this is nowhere close to being my natural hair color, I'm not going to integrate my front hairline. This has 4 pressure sensitive clips. Okay, and because this is a 2.5 ounce topper, you may want to put extra clips in it, just for extra security. I'm gonna find my front hairline here. Clip that in place. Now you're definitely gonna be able to tell the difference between my bio hair and the topper because my bio hair is shorter and it's darker. That'll really give you a good indication of how much coverage and density this topper has. Now the base on this topper is relatively narrow, okay? It's from here to here. The density is super light, especially for a topper that is this long. Just gonna comb her out real quick. Now in an ideal situation, your hairline is going to match the color of the base shade and you can integrate the two. That usually looks the best. And also this one has a tag that is sewn into the topper. If you decide you want to keep it, I would recommend cutting that tag out so that way it doesn't accidentally poke through. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 now so you can see what Top Choice looks like on all sides. If you don't mind the permatease up here, this is a really nice topper, especially for this length and this natural hair density. It's not a heat-friendly synthetic, so it is a regular Canicolon synthetic, not acrylic. So what it'll do is keep this curl, this very slight, very gentle, wavy curl in the front forever. And the rest of it is relatively straight, especially in the back, but the front is very softly waved. Very flattering. This one's really pretty. I like this one. I love this color, by the way. This Soft Shades Buttered Toast is a really pretty dark blonde color. So if you're in the market for something like that, this one's gorgeous. Very nice and dynamic. Kind of like a sandy blonde color. But really pretty. So yeah, I like this one. It's really nice. And the cap construction, because it's just, you know, standard permatease on top of this topper as opposed to monofilament, that really does help keep the price down as well. So this is a really nice topper for basically any budget. I'm Heather, bringing you the Top Choice by Gabor in the color GL15-26SS, also known as Soft Shades Buttered Toast. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And we look forward to seeing you in our store sometime. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.